how to see your boards on Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can see your boards on the Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to see your boards on the Shein app, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all just make sure to launch the Shein application here. Now boards are a little bit different compared to both the wish list and cart. If you want to view those boards, it is very simple. You can just come to the home tab and go to this heart icon from the top right, which is the wish list icon. Or also what you can do is you can come to this cart option, and here also you'll find the wish list button, which is the heart icon. When you come to the wish list page, by default you're going to be under items page, but if you want to view your boards, right over here you'll be able to find boards. Just make sure to go to the boards option. You'll be able to see the boards that you've created, and you can simply go ahead and find them. If you want to share them, you can tap the share option over here. If you want to delete them, you can tap the three dots and then just tap the delete option to do so. This way you can see your boards on the Shein app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.